Wow. Good. Yeah, that one too. Good boy. Yep, that too. Good job. Yeah. That one too. Go put that one away. Good boy. Yeah, that too. Good job. Yeah? You're doing so good. Keep going. You're almost done. Yeah, those two. Ball. No, you've got to clean up your toys, okay? And your monkey, yeah. No, it doesn't. Oh, okay. You can sleep with him tonight. Yeah, go put that away. No, not in there, not in there. In the other one. Good boy. Uh-oh, do you need help? Yeah? I'll help you, I'm coming. Let me see it. Thank you. Can you go get the other toy? Can you go get the car? The car? Good job. You want mommy to put that one away too? Can you say please? Please? Okay. Can you put your zebra away? Just put him up against the wall, okay? Yeah. Good boy. Now this one. It's okay, Gaby. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Now this one. Okay, now do this one, and that's it. What a good boy. You cleaned up your whole room, Gaby. Good job. Good job. Can you say thank you? Can you say thank you? No? All right, come here. Say bye-bye. Bye. Can you blow kisses? No? Just bye? That's all I'm going to get? Yeah. Oh, you missed a car. Get that car. Get the car. It's right there. A little car, yeah. Good job. Are you all done? Say all done. Say all done. Oh, you had to close that? Okay. Say all done.